Welcome, today I'm showing you how to hide application into XIAOMI Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. First of all, open your settings and in search of settings find hidden apps, this one. We need, so tap it and now choose from the list your application when you wanna hide, for example maybe Google Drive. Okay, so here we got instruction how to find hidden apps. Speed to finger separate on the home screen to view hidden apps. Okay, got it. Choose, for example, Google Drive, Facebook maybe, and another maybe notes. Okay, go to our home screen and let's try. And here we got all our hidden application. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.